Take a minute of your time and imagine the world without mathematics. Teaching platform, this is Mr. Mlonga, aka the teacher. My pupils calls me the teacher. We are here to do mathematics indeed. Be ready for the lesson that is coming forth. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe so that every time we post a video, you are the first to be notified. We'll be posting videos every day. On the solving board today, we are dealing with the matrices, of which we are given a 2 by 2 matrix A and a 2 by 2 matrix B. When we say 2 by 2, we are saying this has got 2 rows and 2 columns. So it's a 2 by 2 matrix. Then find the positive value of y if the determinant of A, please, this DET stands for determinant, if the determinant of A is equal to the determinant of B. So to go to the solution, first of all, you need to know the formula for finding determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix is equal to product of the major diagonal minus product of the minor diagonal. So in a matrix, you need to know the major and the minor diagonal. So if you are provided with a matrix which has A, B, C, D like that, this is the major diagonal, this is the minor diagonal, meaning that A and D are in the major, then C and A, I said A and D are in the major, then C and B are in the minor diagonal. So this is an illustration. Determinant is denoted by a triangle like that. Determinant of A is going to be equal to product of the major. This is the major. 4 and 2 are in the major diagonal. So their product is going to be 4 times 2 minus product of the minor. Their minor, we have 1 and negative 5. So 1 times negative 5 like that. Then from there you multiply. When you multiply 4 and 2, you get 8. 1 times negative 5, you get a negative 5. Negative times negative, you get a positive 5. When you add 8 and 5, you get 13. Therefore, the determinant of matrix A is this 13. We can also go to the determinant of B. Determinant of B is going to be product of the major. Our major is 8 times 5. 8 times 5 minus our minor. Minor is 3 times y. 3 times y like that. Then from there, 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 3 times y will be 3y. So these are the two determinants that we have. This is just a whole number. This is an expression. So now, the key there, these are equal. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of B. Then it says the positive value of y. So let's go and get that positive value of y. So to do that, we equate determinant of B and determinant of A. To equate that, we are saying determinant of A is equal to determinant of B. Then determinant of A in this case is this 13. So we are saying 13 is equal to determinant of B, which is 40 minus 3y. These are like terms. These are unlike terms. So what do? You collect the like terms. You have negative 3y is equal to 13 minus 40. Because the 40 will go the other side, it will be a negative. Then when you subtract a bigger number from a small number, the answer is always going to be a negative answer. So negative 3y is equal to 40 minus 13. This will give you 27, because 10 minus 3 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then divide, this is a negative. Divide by negative 3, even there by negative 3. This will go with that. Negative divided by negative is positive. or the negatives will cancel. Either way, the answer will come out as 9. What we have found here is now the positive value of y. So the key, you should know how to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix by using that formula. Then understand equal determinants. So you find the determinants independently and equate them. After equating them, make y the subject of the formula. So this is how we answer part A of this question. Let's go to part B, where we have to find the inverse of one of these matrices. Part B of the question says find the inverse of matrix B. Solution. The inverse of a matrix, like in this case matrix B, can be denoted as B to the power -1. And the formula is 1 over determinant of B, then times the B adjoint. So in this case, 1 over determinant, we need to find the determinant of matrix B. Then we need to also find the adjoint of matrix B. So how do we find the determinant of matrix B? According to what we got under part A, we said determinant of B is equal to 40, that is 40 minus 3y. This is what we got as determinant of B. However, we found the value of y. Y is equal to 40 minus 3 times 9. Then 40, 3 times 9 is going to give you a 27. When you subtract 27 from 40, you are going to have the determinant is going to be equal to 13. Because actually, according to the question, it said the determinants are equal. We got the determinant of A, so determinant of B is also supposed to be 13. Then B adjoint. The adjoint of a matrix is equal to, what you do is you exchange the positions in the major diagonal. So where there is 8, you write 5. Where there is 5, you write 8. You change the signs for the numbers in the minor diagonal. This is a positive 3. It will change to a negative 3. That y, we found y is equal to 9. Positive 9 will also change to negative 9 like that. This is the B adjoint. So now it's just a question of substituting back into the formula. We are saying inverse of B is going to now be equal to 1 over determinant of B, which is 13, then times the adjoint matrix. You just write it there. You say 5 minus 9, then negative 3, then 8 like that. This is the inverse of matrix B. So what is important here? You should know the formula for inverse of a matrix. The formula for inverse of a matrix is 1 over determinant of such a matrix times the adjoint of such a matrix. So 1 over determinant. If you know how to find determinant is equal to product of the major diagonal minus product of the minor diagonal, just like we did on part A. Then using that formula, you should be able to get to the determinant. When you find the determinant, find the adjoint. For the adjoint matrix, the numbers in the major diagonal, they exchange their positions. It's more like we are saying the 8 comes down, then the 5 goes up. Then for the minor diagonal, I'm now talking about this diagonal, it's like you multiply by -1. You multiply everything by -1. Because once you multiply by -1, it means all the signs are going to change. But the shortest understanding is that you change the signs in the in a diagonal, like that. After doing that, you find both the determinant and the adjoint. What you do next, you just substitute back, because this is 1 over determinant, which we got, it's a 13. So 1 over 13. Then adjoint is what we found there. So you substitute back the adjoint like that. The other thing is, we were not supposed to go through this, because according to the question, it says the determinant of matrix A is equal to the determinant of matrix B. That is when we were finding the value of y. Therefore, could have just picked the 13 from what we started with. But I wanted to show that we are still able to calculate the determinant of B as 13, because we already calculated the determinant of A as 13. Then this is also showing a 13. This is more like a confirmation that the two determinants are actually equal. And as long as we use the concept of being equal matrices, it means that this 9 will not give us something different from this 13, because this 13 was involved in finding the 9. So this is how we answer this question. This marks the end of our lesson. Please, if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do so, because every day we'll be posting videos, and it's important that every time we post a video, you are the first to be notified. Where you need to comment, you need to ask something, do not hesitate. We value your support, we value your contribution, be it positive or negative. It's mathematics all the way until Jesus Christ comes. Take a minute of your time and imagine the world without mathematics. We cannot be able to calculate or count the time without the use of mathematics. The calendar that we use is a product of mathematics. We only get to know that this is the year 2020 by the use of mathematics, by following the calendar mathematically. The population of any country is a product of mathematics. You only get to know that it takes 9 months for a baby to be born through the use of mathematics. In the medical field, temperature is calculated using mathematics. In the business world, profit and loss is only appreciated by the use of mathematics. A bricklayer uses mathematics to calculate the number of bricks needed for that construction. A carpenter uses mathematics to calculate the gradient of the roof before the roof is put up. A policeman has to count the number of prisoners in that police cell through mathematics. A thief should be able to calculate the hypotenuse of that brick wall before falling off that brick wall. We all need mathematics. Mathematics runs the world.